Are you tired of the daily grind, working long hours for limited returns? Well, get ready to unlock your potential and embark on an exciting journey toward financial freedom. Today, we're thrilled to present the 72-Hour Challenge, where you can learn how to make money online through the power of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote the products or services of others and earn a commission for every sale or lead you generate. It's a win-win situation. Now, let's talk about the 72-Hour Challenge. This unique program is designed to jumpstart your journey into affiliate marketing and accelerate your results. In just 72 hours, you'll learn the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, discover effective strategies, and start earning your first commissions. During the 72-Hour Challenge, you'll learn essential concepts like identifying profitable niches, building an audience, driving traffic, and maximizing conversions. You'll receive hands-on guidance on selecting the right affiliate programs,